All right, so in this video, we're going to just do a couple of miscellaneous rando things that couldn't fit in any other category. So let's go ahead and wrap these up. And again, congratulations, you are literally at the finish line. So let's go ahead and jump in and so we can get this website completed. So first and foremost, we're going to want to create some blog categories. So we're going to go over to where it says posts. And when you click on posts, you should see an option for categories. So let me do that one more time. Okay, so they've given us some sample categories here, but this is obviously just dummy text. So let's go ahead and quick edit these. So the first one is going to be real estate, and the slug is going to be real dash estate, update category. We're going to do a blog category for events. So like a list of weekly events that are happening in your community, update category. We're going to do quick edit for restaurants. Restaurants are always popular. Restaurants. And then we're going to do one for outdoors. And then we're going to do one for lifestyle. And lifestyle will just be things like yoga, just kind of just the whole vibe of your entire community. And then let's do one for shopping. And that's pretty self-explanatory. So these are the blog topics that you're definitely going to want to write about, because these are the ones that are going to be the most popular, and that's been proven and tested time and time again. Now, when you go to all posts, you'll see here that they've included some sample blog posts for you, and you can take some time and kind of go through these and view each one of them. But you're definitely going to want to go ahead and delete these after you're done viewing them and kind of start over fresh. So you could just go here, and then you would just go to move to trash. So take a look at them. If there's any that you like, you can just write over them, but for the most part, you're going to want to move those to trash so that they don't show up on your actual blog. Okay, so that's just the next thing. So we are going to go through the general WordPress setup really quickly. So a couple of things that you want to note is in the settings tab, there's some items here. So I'm going to do, first and foremost, we're going to go to permalinks, and this is going to make it so that your blog is a lot cleaner. So it's like, pleasantvilleliving.com/blog, instead of /B850703, So you're just going to click custom structure, and then you're just going to do post name. Okay. It sounds complicated. It's not. Just trust me on that one. And then the next one is search engine discoverability, because we want to make sure that we're able to get discovered by search engines. So if you click on reading, you're definitely going to want to undo search engine discoverability, discourage search engines from indexing the site. You definitely want Google to be able to find you. And then next, we want to have a privacy policy. So it's actually against Facebook terms of service to run ads when you don't have a privacy policy in place, and it's just against internet laws in general. So you will need a basic privacy policy, and these can easily be looked up. You can just Google privacy policy for a website, and you can easily just get a new privacy policy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to create new page, and we'll just create a little privacy policy page, and then you can just paste in your privacy policy. So we have like some sample data here, which is totally fine. And then I'm just going to go ahead and publish this. So let's say I had, like Googled it or hired a lawyer and then had a privacy policy drafted up. And then I would just go ahead and paste it all in here and then click publish. So that's that. So once we publish this page, we'll just go right back to the privacy policy, which was right in settings. So we're going to go back to privacy. And now we have this page that's chosen for the privacy policies. That's perfect. In the footer, we actually do need to link out to the privacy policy. So I'm going to go to where it says appearance. We're going to go to widgets, and it needs to be in the footer. So in footer 2, was it footer bottom? Yeah, footer bottom. Okay, so I'm going to link out to privacy policy. And we just need to do a simple HTML link. So just give me 1 second. And what I'll do is I'll link this down for you below so that way you have it. So I'm just going to copy. I'm going to copy this, paste. So where it says link text, I'm going to do privacy policy. I'm going to remove this area here. And where it says URL, we're just going to go /privacy -policy. So the next thing is that we decided that we needed a reviews page because we do have a review on the home page, okay? So super simple. I'm just going to go ahead and go to add new. And I'm going to make a reviews page. So I'm going to do reviews. Oops, just reviews like that. And then click publish. Great. We don't need to do anything more there. Now, same thing with all the blog posts. It gives you some extra pages here. So you may want to, remove some of the extra ones because there's page layouts, content sidebar, those are not pages that you're actually using on your site. Those were just example pages. So you might want to go through here and kind of just, review the page and then see if it's not something you're going to use. And then you can obviously just put it right in the trash. So no problem there. We also need to do the menus. So in the custom menu, we want to have where it says communities, we're going to change it to header menu and then click select. So we want to have a header menu, and these are all extraneous pages that we don't need. So I'm just going to go through and remove all of these, and I'm going to press pause, remove all of them, and come back. Okay, so everything is removed now. So now that we have a clean slate, I'm going to go to manage locations, and we are going to put where it says header navigation menu. We're going to do header menu, click save. And then we're going to go back to edit menus. And we're just going to start adding the menus. So where it says categories, open that up. And let's go ahead and add all of these categories. Add to menu. And we said that we wanted them to do real estate, events, restaurants, outdoors, lifestyle, and then shopping. We also want the community page. So let's do, the contact page. So I'm going to do contact, add to menu. So we have that. And let's do the communities. Search communities. Okay, so it looks like, all communities, that's what we want. So add to menu. So I'm going to put this under real estate. So let's do communities just like that. And that'll be underneath real estate. And then under contact, maybe we put, let's actually make this, put the reviews underneath here. So let's do pages, view all, reviews, add to menu. And of course you can put this wherever you want, but just to make it clean, and short and tight, I'm going to put it under contact. So let's go to save menu. And we should be able to now see the menu when we refresh. So let's go ahead and refresh and let's see what we see. Here we go. So now they're all right here. And so if you wanted to list all the communities down here, you could. So contact, there's the reviews. So let's go ahead and go back to the menu real quick, and then let's put communities, and then let's add all these communities. So add to menu. Now we're going to nestle these underneath the communities tab. So here we go. Just like that. We'll go ahead and go to save menu. And let's refresh one more time, and we should be able to see them nestled under. So if I mouse over real estate communities, and here we go. So you'll be able to list out all of your communities if you'd like to. The next thing that I wanted to point out was in the appearance, we had an e-news widget that we need to just do a little bit of copy on. So in the footer too, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit and you'll see WP forms. I'm just going to take that and drag it right here and select the form, contact form, and then save. I'm going to delete this one. And then let's see what it looks like now. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. It looks really good. So yeah, I mean, you have a fully functional website. So congratulations, like this is huge. So we just have a couple more steps and then you are going to be off and on your way, my friend.